Hi everyone, I am Vikas. Welcome back to my channel Info More Books. Today I am going to talk more about monopods of Osaka and Sonia brand. This one is Sonia Monopod MPL01 and the cost of this monopod is 999 rupees and this monopod comes with pan head. This one is Osaka monopod and the model number is VCT892 and the cost of this monopod is 3780 and it comes with pan head and standing leg. And this is Sonia MPL09 monopod. It is without any head and standing leg and the cost of this monopod is 850 rupees. If you want to buy the standing leg for this monopod, then this is the MF18 monopod feet and the cost of this monopod feet is 1720. Please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information about all three monopods. If you still not subscribe my channel, then please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you will receive the camera accessories updates in future also. Please find the buying link in description box. If you are looking for more discount offer, then leave the message on WhatsApp number or mention in the comment box. In the first part of video, we are starting with monopod of Sonia MPL01. This is sturdy and lightweight. The weight of this monopod is 850 gram and load capacity is 3 kg. It comes with carry case and build quality is metal. There are 3 quick action flip locks in this monopod. The folded height is 2 feet and the maximum height is 5.9 feet. By loosening the screw of quick release plate, you can take vertical and horizontal shots. You can adjust the tilt movement by loosening its screw. This monopod includes 1x4 inch thread which is suitable for all digital cameras. The quick release plate will come out by releasing its lock. Mounting the camera in the quick release plate of monopod. Camera is mounted on monopod. By loosening the screw of pan lock, you can adjust the pan movement. Removing the camera from quick release plate. Inserting the quick release plate on monopod once again. We will put up the monopod stand and open the flip locks. Now you can see the maximum extended height of the monopod. In the next part of video, we are unboxing the monopod Osaka VCT892. The contents of the box are monopod VCT892 1 nose, carry bag 1 piece, and Allen key set of 6 pieces. Opening all legs of monopod feet. The build quality is metal, weight is 2.16 kg and the maximum load capacity is 8 kg. In this monopod, we can remove the pan head. Inserting the monopod into the pan head's 3x8 inch female screw. By loosening the screw of pan lock, the pan movement will start. You can adjust the tilt movement by loosening its screw. Pan and tilt smoothing screw for smooth movement. The quick release plate will come out by releasing its lock. Now mounting camera on monopod's quick release plate by the help of coin. The movement of pan tilt bar is to be adjusted by loosening its screw. Removing the camera from quick release plate of monopod. Open the flip lock one by one. Now we will put up the monopod stand on the surface. The folded height is 2.5 feet. The maximum height is 6.4 feet. It was all about this monopod Osaka VCT8892. In the last part of video, we are going to see Sonia MPL09 monopod and Osaka monopod feet MF18. Monopod feet MF18 has a 3x8 inch screw hole on the bottom, and the rubbered feet with locking system provides super stability. This monopod comes with carry case. The build quality of this monopod is metal and tube diameter is 1.25 inch. Weight is 1.5 kg and load capacity is 8 kg. Removing screw cap. You can adjust height of monopod by unfolding two flip locks. Removing feet cap of monopod. Mounting the monopod feet to the bottom of the monopod in the 3x8 inch female screw. Mounting the Sonia pen head into the top of the monopod. Note that you have to buy this pen head separately. This is not coming along with product. Mounting camera on quick release plate of monopod by tightening its screw. Inserting the monopod into the pen head's 3x8 inch female screw. You can adjust the tilt movement by loosening its tilt screw. You can adjust the pan movement by loosening its pan lock screw. Now we will put up the monopod stand. The folded height of this monopod is 2.2 feet. The maximum height is 5.10 feet. Now we are taking fake drone shots with the help of this monopod MPL09. Now you can see the maximum height of all three monopods. So this is all about these monopods. If you yet not subscribed my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon also. Thanks for watching this video.